Hello, we are Taylor and Brittany Honeycutt, and Sean Jessup from SD Jessup Construction built our custom home, and we're thrilled today to be able to share with you more about our wonderful home. First question. Building a new custom home can be a multi-year process from concept to completion. How did you start your process to build a new home? What kind of things did you consider most important in a new home? Did you do any research? This is a great question. So we started our process actually in 2014 when we purchased a property that we knew we eventually one day wanted to custom build on. Several years later, we kind of started thinking through floor plan first, and I think my areas of concern were what's the floor plan going to be, what's the layout going to look like for functionality, and what are the finishes going to be as far as interior and exterior, versus Taylor was thinking more about the bones and the function and all those things and how a home really works for you.
Yeah, the location of this property is such that we're close by to both of our different families, and so really when we went to go look at this, our plans and try to come up with a builder, this is our forever home. This is kind of our mindset going in, and so in a forever home, I wanted the bones of this home to be solid, but also to take into consideration some of the health aspects too, is of air tightness and ventilation and all of that, to so that we can stay in here a long time and feel comfortable while we're here.
Yeah, I remember one of the first things that we talked a lot about in our floor plan was like where our windows would be and where our living room would be, and the facing of our house and the orientation to the sun. And I remember thinking he was crazy for how much he was reading into this, but now living here, see a lot of the benefits to those decisions. But I mean, our entire floor plan was designed around, the layout was designed around like orientation around the sun.
Yeah, and originally when I had contacted Sean, I think there was some preliminary conversations about passive house, and then so when doing research on building a house and kind of some of the latest techniques and latest recommendations, passive house kind of came up. And one of the reasons we went with Sean is he helped us get a healthy balance of cutting edge, bleeding edge technology, practices and techniques versus budget. And there's always that balance, and one of the reasons we went with him is because he helped us strike that and was looking out for the most value for our house while also providing a well-built and healthy home.